one house, 5 ships, the ultimate battle. Yes, hello. I'm recording another video. This one I'm going to be playing with Legos. Those Legos, to be exact. I'm going to be throwing them at the house that you saw. And it'll be lots of fun. So, I built, like, these ships, and it took me a long time. Yes. And I'm going to be throwing them at the house and trying to break the house. Which may seem kind of easy, but it's not. Spent many hours trying to test this, to destroy the house, and then I was like, oh, maybe I should record me trying to destroy the house. Yeah. Alright, it'll be lots of explosions of Legos. A lot of time down the drain. Alright, see you then. Okay, hello again. So, I've gotten it ready. I'm just going to throw them. Just going to do that. My aim might be off, but I can throw pretty hard. This is the first ship I'm going to be throwing. Has a guy in it, but this took me a long time to build. This is the first one I built. Let's see how it does. Alright, I'm going to throw it. I'm going to retry that. Alright, I'm trying again with the same ship, except my brother's going to throw it instead of me. Hopefully, it won't end the same. Alright, go. Alright, we'll try another ship. Alright, so 2 ships didn't work. Time for a third. You know, I can't aim. But, I will make this back on camera, because this ship's pretty easy to rebuild. How did I miss again? Actually, that was a pretty bad miss. I know, that's what I'm going to do if it doesn't ever get destroyed. Just going to pick the house up, throw it at a wall. Yeah, I'll re-throw this ship and then... Yeah. Oh, I should probably have been trying this. Alright, I want to be back, and yeah. Alright, I rebuilt it. Take number 4. Same ship as number 3. Alright, here I go. Oh wow, I've destroyed so many ships. Okay. I'm not doing that one again. Alright, so, yeah, that ship's destroyed. Next one. Ship number 4. This one's just gonna shatter. But, here we go.
Have you thrown the house yet?
Nope. That'll go last. Alright, so that ship, you didn't even get to see it. Wow. Alright, I still have no aim. See if by the 5th ship I'll have aim. Alright, last try, and then I'll just throw the house. This one's my favorite ship. It looks the coolest. Oh wow, this one's gonna destroy too. Alright, let me pick up my mess. I'll be back to throw the house. Bye. Alright, just time to throw the house. Oh wow, I can't believe I missed with every single ship. Thank you for watching me go insane. Bye.